am likely the longest serving secretary government in Nigeria. So I have been part of administration, I've been part of policy making, I've been part of trying to change things in the country based on what I did at the federal level.
Mr. Wait. Can you say water, give me water. Water and sugar. Water and sugar. Get sugar, and water. Is there any, where is Dr. Wale? Can the camera see immediately?
Understudied the
Mr. Wait. Can you say water, give me water. Water and sugar. Water and sugar. Get sugar, and water. Is there any,
And I want to appreciate you for giving me the opportunity to speak, because coming here, I thought that asking me to just take a bow and go and not saying anything would be a great disservice to the Nigerian youth. Yes, thank you very much for the opportunity, sir. Well, we're aware of the challenges that Nigerian youth are faced with: underemployment, unemployment, yes, and of course, poor access to health, access to affordable and quality healthcare, poor access to quality education, and of course, we are deprived of skills that will make us keep up with the current realities of the job market. So, in my capacity as a Minister of Youth Development of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, my role, if confirmed, Mr. President, thank you, sir. If confirmed as the Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to pilot the affairs of the Youth Ministry, my first and most important role would be to inspire young people. I hope to